You paid for that lead. They called, they filled out the form, they were interested, and then nothing. Crickets. Does that sound familiar? You're certainly not alone. Most law firms don't have a reliable follow-up system, and they're losing potential clients every single day because of it. But the good news, you can fix this fast with a simple, semi-automated system that keeps you top of mind and turns more leads into the paying clients that you want. Let me show you how it's done. First things first, don't wait. As soon as a lead contacts your firm, I know you've heard this before, but responsiveness is everything. Trigger an automatic text and email response right away. Something like, "Hi, client name. Thanks for reaching out to firm name. We'll be in touch shortly. In the meantime, you can schedule a consultation here with a link." Why does this work? Because it catches the lead while their interest is high, right? And it sets you apart from firms that take hours or days or longer to reply. So speed wins deals, period, no questions. Next, don't stop at just one message. Set up a 5-day follow-up sequence. It should look something like this. Day 1, email with helpful FAQs or a short guide. Day 3, friendly text asking any questions we can help with. Maybe day 5, email reminder with a bit of urgency. Limited consult times, for example, is a good way to do that too. If you want to boost engagement, drop in a short video or a quick PDF explainer. Mix up the channels, email, text, video, phone. The variety grabs attention kind of where they are. Now, I know it sounds old school, but listen, pick up the phone. Pick up the darn phone. Not everyone reads emails. Not everyone replies to text, but a quick voicemail that says, "Hey, just checking in. Wanted to see if you had any questions. We'd love to help." That really goes a long way. And a pro tip, rotate follow-up calls among your team and use a consistent script so everyone's tone and messaging is on brand and consistent. You can't manage what you're not tracking. I feel like I say this in every video because it is true with everything that we do. So use a simple CRM or intake dashboard to monitor who's been contacted, how often, by whom. Tag leads as hot, cold, or no-show. That's a really simple, easy way to do it. And reward consistency. So encourage your staff to hit weekly follow-up goals. You can even track which follow-up methods convert best. Trust me, a little bit of accountability makes a huge, huge difference. Don't let good leads go cold just because your follow-up process is weak or perhaps non-consistent. With a few smart automations and a clear plan, you can convert more leads. You can certainly lower your costs per client and stop losing business that's already knocking on your door. So if you need help setting up your follow-up system, we've built them for dozens and dozens of firms, and we can help you do it too. Let's make sure your next hot prospect becomes your next happy client. See you on the next video. Take care.